eSouth Africa mabrada ngizokutshela iqiniso ayikho ipolitiki enobungozi nokulimala kwabantu ukudlula impumalanga which ngaphansi kwenkangala district yabona abaGauteng abo-Eastern Cape abo-KZN benza kancane. Impumalanga is captured and by serious politicians and by serious people who are involved in serious cartels. Because remember, Mpumalanga is a place where South African power electricity is being produced. It's actually a power plant in South Africa. So the reason ngikhuluma lezi zinto ngifuna ukubulawa already my brother. So for me to keep quiet kuyongisiza kancane because already labantu abazanga baze kimi bazongibuza ukuthi kuqale kuphi ukuze wena ufike lezi zinto. Kunabantu mina currently abaphethe information yabo ene mina bengithunya nyo investigator. Ene mina ngi-investigator ngingazi ukuthi ubani involved. Namhlanje nasesiso labantu bagijimisa mina they leave the big fish engukuthi badila baphethe information yabo. Remember ukuthi mina number 1 as I mentioned earlier on I was recruited kubo state security agents. Kuluke yabona impilo yami icala ukumoshakala mangicala ukusebenza ne state security agents. Imoshakale lapho ke futhi. Uyabona i-red leli limhlophe lesisetshenziswa ukutest igezi. Uyabona lokhu basebenzisa ama-red nyabasebenza for ama-testing nama-chemical. Mina ngibe i-red lapha esetshenziswayo ukutest izinto. You understand? I'm telling you my brother. I-information yabantu beyitestwa ngami. Wescom kunani? Hamba. Yimi ngitholakala lapha. Power station eDuba kunani?
Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I've got my man James, and on my right, I've got my man Ganda. Do one story at the time and then testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Shout out to Jojo Finance for sponsoring this episode. We highly appreciate it. Check them out. Jojo Finance is not too much on this, but they are financial provider was emthethweni. Otherwise, yes, Tata.
Yes. Ichipinga tsa chiritsi.
But my brother magama commission wako madlanga commission so manje. Kumele usabe le ndoda lengenye isabe.
No. Igama lami uJoseph ukamThimunye. My brother yabona kusho ukuthi ukuze ngidecide ukufika la ingoba le ndlela sengihambe kakhulu yabona. And this thing started last year futhi iqala last year ngoNovember early yabona last year November. So all along bengumuntu o relaxile usho ukuthi ungazi aware ngezinto ezenzeka around me. Most of the people enguthi mhlambe bazoviewa le podcast sebayazi, even some of the community members la ngizowa khona sebayazi. I think I started eWitbank eMalahleni my brother ne, but before that bengidila ngama community programs ngasista i-community before le ndaba uzoku-involve intelligence ama-investigation nanani yabona ama-business nanani yabo. So uqala ngama community programs okay before iWitbank ngise-Gauteng yabona. Nginokuchecka ngene-organization bebayibiza ngomama besizwe benabo mama abaningi yabo. So that organization leyo we used to identify ama-families are disadvantaged. Then we draft letters we sent to the office of the ministers yabo, the presidential hotline yabo, and sometimes we also engage nabo public protector if we see the matter is very serious. But for that matter umuntu should took time for me to deal with that issues. I spent too much of time dealing with those issues yabo, and which was part of me activism. From moving away activism, then I went to my programs that which are called crime prevention programs. Okay, before that crime prevention programs, kuna ma communities amaningi kakhulu which I will tell you by the time kuseze in office la Minister Lindiwe Zulu yabona kusese nama officials that being engaged now, which ne Gauteng department, i-Gauteng government yabona. So ku-Gauteng government kulama cases lawo bengwa refera kibo. Most of cases akhona azange abe resolved yabo, and most of people ebekulewe area lewe bayisendaweni kuthiwa yakasokhulume what 105. You understand? Abantu bakhona labo kule community leyo kushuthi ngathi plus nyana. Most of the people nge-negligence government bashona. That is where by ku-TikTok ubona ke nga communicator nemunye advocate yabona lawyer lambe ngino close naye former MEC we transport yabo, which then sathi man i-government mayibukele izinto lezi because imetha khona thatha ma-3 years ingabe resolved yabo. So from that particular point umuntu waqala ke manje wabona ukuthi kune lack of attention yabona kwi-government yabona, and abantu abakhona they are not given attention as much as they need. That is why most of the time the negligence of the government has led many people to die yabo. But I'm not saying good per se the government, probably maybe the officials inside the departments that are the one that are leading to that matter, to in those cases. Okay, lento lezo ngibona ukuthi they've wasted so much of time yabona, and ngishiye ngihambe and then bese ngicale ama-programs muvele to eWitbank eMalahleni cale ngama-crime prevention programs lapho ke. But ke ama-crime prevention programs before ngiwacala ngihlangana nomunye my sister eke washona, may soul rest in peace, enguthi bekane-issue nomasipala wase-Witbank mayelana nendaba ze-environment plus nabo-waste yabona. Then bebasebenza kwi-CWP program yabona, community working program. Then my sister lapha meka ngichazele ngitshela ukuthi kuna-councillor lakamasipala elifuna ukuprivatize ipark yakamasipala, which is not correct yabo, it's very much wrong yabona. So privatize kanjani because ipark yakhona bayibiza nge-Cliffontein Dam, it's next to i-Sun One Hotel NG Garage. So then mina uncle wami kunomunye uncle wami which we were very much close but we are no longer close because naye umunye umuntu ukuthi ngidayisile kwezinye izinto. Then the uncle of mine then athi man there's someone who can assist umshana wami, asihlanganise vele same day. Then mina ngicale ngi-involve i-COGTA yabona, ngi-involve nabo lentoza nabo ne-presidency ukuthi ama-issues abe attended to because bakhala ukuthi bathunyelwa endaweni epark ukuthi bayo-cleaner ke but is not well maintained by umasipala. So then ngi-engage in the office the municipal manager which was Sizwe Bayisela yabona, nabo Nonkululeko Mthombeni which is currently the acting director, executive director kamasipala environment yabona. Sithumela ama-email bese ngi-involve ne-COGTA national ngathi bekusesenoma Makhubela or Makhube by that time, bese be-acting deputy director general if I'm not mistaken bekulentuza uMphomoga, Mr. Mphomoga currently is in Free State or Northern Cape, angisakhumbula ukuthi ukuyiphi province. I-issue leyo ibe attended, iphushwe yabona, ibe attended to, labantu vele basizakala uyayibona. Imasipala aqala ukumaintaina ini park uyayibona. Nami ngicala ukufona aboNonkululeko Mthombeni, currently she's Ms. Makuwa, married to Makuwa. So then now from that point ba-attende la matter le yayibona, bachube ngayo. Then man ngithola ukuthi there are many issues yabona enguthi zikhona eWitbank zihleli ziningi enguthi abantu bakhona basiza. Mina mangifika lapha ngidayi ngizomane ngizenzele into zami eziceleni ngibe busy ngemsebenzi yami yabo. Got to a point where we meet the municipal manager at first was very much negligent or ignorant towards our image. Ngimtshela ukuthi manje phela municipal manager ngathi sesizongena ku-executive mayor manje yabona, ke simtshela ukuthi phela wena ngathi awufuni ukuresponda kulama issues la. Kunenge intombazane isecretary yakhe vele isifone lisitshele ngabaleni ibrother lami siye sibe no meeting no municipal manager. Municipal manager masifika lapha bize uNonkululeko, Mr. Nonkululeko Mthombeni yabona, which then was the manager for parks but currently is the executive director obviously yabona ku-environment. Masifika kube ne-behavior yokuthi kungathi bafuna ukwenza izinto sicede basicoshe baphume kithi uyayibona. But mina ngiyabatshela mangifika lapha kithi but guys kungathi le attitude or le behavior yokuthi nizitshelile vele ukuthi masingena la nizovele nisinike lo moya ukuthi sigcine singale, uyangaunderstand. Si-engage nayo municipal manager simtshele ukuthi phela awusitshele kahle ama-issues asona udila nawo kanjani, bakutshele ngabombizo nani yonke lento lezi normal, which bombizo just to push isikhathi ukutshela ama-community because obviously it's necessary for them ukuthi bayenze consultation ne-community which is part of the Local Government Act uyabona. So manje nase kuchubeka kube njalo municipal manager abone ukuthi okay manje laba these guys the issues lezi abadiscuss abakhuluma ngazo zi very serious yabona. Hayi ke kuhamba isikhathi sicede ngediscussion uNonkululeko aphume kusale mina municipal manager and the gentleman athi kahle kahle nibobani, you understand. Simtshele ke thina ukuthi okay thina singabantu abaso sidila ngeorganization esona sidila ngomsebenzi so before lento zami ze-investigation yabona. Shuthi the reason ngiqala la is because imatter currently ngifuna ukubulawa yaqala ukuthi ngazane nabantu bakamasipala and kwakuneyimfihlo kamasipala umunicipal manager makafuna ukusebenza nathi angazange aba honest nathi ngazo, you understand. From that point kusuke my brother ukuthi umunicipal manager athi guys man uyabona nina ne-potential ngifuna ukusebenzisana nami, asho mina nalo brother enginaye uyayizwa ukuthi thini asitshela ukuthi no kunama issues amaningi engukuthi ayenzakalako kusabothajwa umasipala. Lento asitshela ngazo izinto esi-aware ngazo. Uyayibona? Ukuthi umasipala usabothajwa, this is political matter obviously. Uyayibona? But municipal manager yena is not being honest with us ukuthi kahle ufuna sisebenzisana nawe ngayiphi indlela Uyayibona? But siqhube same day asinika amanamba isho ukuthi simtshele nabantu engukuthi sisasebenzisana nabo previously nama matters ke sasebenzisana nabo bo Dr. Jess Moroka which is ngaphansi kweNkangala district. South Africa my brother ngizokutshela iqiniso. Ayikho ipolitiki enobungozi nokulimala kwabantu ukudlula iMpumalanga. Which ngaphansi kweNkangala district. Yabona abaGauteng abo Eastern Cape abo KZN benza kancane. Mpumalanga is captured and by serious politicians and by serious people who are involved in serious cartels. Because remember, Mpumalanga is a place where South African power electricity is being produced. It's actually a power plant in South Africa. And I think there are 6 power stations, if I'm not mistaken, in South Africa. And in Witbank, Pela, there are almost about 21 coal mines, if I'm not mistaken, or even not more. Besides including Abo Middelburg. And within the districts, Zaselentuza, Mpumalanga, there are operations, cartels. Yabana lendo kuthiwa drug cartel, this is a small minor thing. A serious cartel in South Africa is a cartel of coal, where they steal coal in South Africa. That's a very serious cartel, my brother. Yilento engifuna ukubulawela yona namhlanje because I found myself dealing with those issues. The drug thing is a small thing in South Africa. A coal, my brother, you must understand, it makes money more than any drugs. Very powerful product, and you must understand ukuthi zilvolve indaba zabo Richards Bay where coal is being taken outside the country. Even abo Mozambique, they are being used where coal is transported ngaphandle. Okay, there are illegal structures in South Africa we know ukuthi obviously lahle liyahambiswa kahle, which is good. But those guys that are currently that wants to kill me are the people, most of them, that which are part of in coal. And the people that which I'm going to mention here are actually the people enguti intwana zabo on the ground are the ones that which by easy pie, by the relationship na mapoisa, they pay police people, and on the other side they are the people enguti by vitizi la miners of South African ESCOM. So just to go back a bit before I enter into that scenario. Now the municipal manager must tell us sebenzisana naye. Municipal manager sisebenzisana naye I think kahle sicela ukusebenzisana naye kahle kakhulu ku2023. I think 2022 masekele egcineni bese sazana lapho uyabona naye anama issues wakhe. I-office lakhe kukwayena bele under threat athusela. In fact municipal manager beka instructor beke izinto bekatshela ukuthi enze so. And there was a time where he complained about this other gentleman currently is the MMC for DDP. Uyabona? Development planning whatever, but kule department le yabona. So municipal manager complain ngomduduzo uMswati waNkosi. Currently he's the former speaker saseMalahleni. The guy, he was a member of Team Shikisha leading it politically so. Then the gentleman called Christopher Hlebela, may his soul rest in peace, they shot him. I will go to that scenario ukuthi Chris Hlebela kuza kanjani. And the time Chris Hlebela mekazobulawa, I met with the businessman enguthi that in that area he funds the ANC. You understand? Ngamtshela ngathi there is a plan ukuthi kune situation imelenze so. The reason ngikhuluma lezi zinto ngifuna ukubulawa already my brother. So for me to keep quiet kuyongisiza kancane because already labantu abazanga baze kimi bazongibuza ukuthi kuqale kuphi ukuze wena ufike kulezi zinto. Kunabantu mina currently abaphethe information yabo ene mina bengithunywa nyo investigator. Ene mina ngi-investigator ngingazi ukuthi ubani involved. Namhlanje nasesiso labantu bagijimisa mina they leave the big fish enguthi badila baphethe information yabo. Remember ukuthi mina number 1 as I mentioned earlier on I was recruited by state security agents to investigate matters of this kind, and I mean I was taken there and I was not even aware ukuthi some of the issues I'm going to deal with them they are seniors and they know very well ukuthi abantu abadila nabo abantu abaso. But currently mina sengingumuntu ofela as a lento, and some of the things the municipal manager sold me out in that thing ukuthi ufuna sisebenzisane naye, because municipal manager did not disclose ukuthi he's reporting to the people who are part of our cartels. You understand ukuthi njani? So then the moment mina ngiqala ngama crime prevention program, I started the crime prevention program eWitbank. I'm the first person in Witbank enguthi waqala ukuthi abantu bakhona engage nama Hawks iDPCI. exchange contact details, receive pamphlets. I'm the first person, my brother. I did these programs continuously so. And those programs, some of them, they wanted to sabotage them ukuthi angaproceed because abantu bebaqala ukwenzani ukuba necontact. Remember ukuthi ipolice station yaseWitbank isubs currently. Most of the people abangamaphoyisa laba nabo bayangada bayizipayi zalabantu laba because every time mangene eWitbank seyibo bokuqala abangijimsayo abanye bakhona. And deploy ubani asazi ubani deploy amaphoyisa ukuthi agijimisane nami. If umuntu uyisigebengu kokuqala, you need to post him on the South African Police Service page angithi uthi wanted lo muntu lo, state his criminality. But the mere fact that they are doing what? They are doing things behind the closed doors because they are not using their flag ingqondo yabo. You understand? Abasebenzisi their mindset because these people currently, municipal manager manje, sinaye asekho good terms. But by that time we had a very perfect and powerful relationship that which we ourselves protected him. He now municipal manager, when he takes us to the municipality, he says to us, ne? My office is under attack. Yabona? He said, okay. Sesidlula sesingena kusina rokusebenzisana deeply manje. Uthi kunabantu abashaya amakhebuli la eWitbank. Usitshela ngezinto but the main thing, he is not even aware ukuthi abantu abatshontsha amakhebuli abantu bakamasipala basebenzisana ama-service provider. Uyayizwa ukuthi thini? Ikhebuli liyashaywa liphinde liyothengiselwa umasipala. Ungizwe my brother. Uyayibona lento ukuthiwa ikhebuli, you understand? Ikhebuli liyashaywa lithengiselwa kuya kumasipala. Le cable malishaya number 1. Let's say mina mhlambe ngithi ngifuna ama-order. Yabona ngizoba mentiona ngamagama. Ungizwe kahle my brother. Nginofakazi bento eziningi engikhuluma la because uyakwazi naye lo ukuthi mina into eziningi nginofakazi ba. Abo CFO basemalahleni currently uSipho Kenneth Mahlangu. Ureporta kibo le eMpumalanga eKwagga le. EKwagga kumaKwagga 20 la majida la bathi bona basiphala uMr Ferrari Josipanyoni. Number 1 ungamconfront ngathi yekela ukhipha number kuthiwa mangibulawa yena Raymond loyo. If lento uyayiphika kuzo prove maba engage court or kuvula amacala uzobona ukuthi izovela kangakanani. Namafoni abazothi kunabantu ukuthi bangamaphoyisa nami engengage nabo. You understand? Mina my brother angeke ngize ngiqale ngithi ngiyayifihla lento iqiniso vele iyenzeka and they are doing so currently ngenxa ukuthi abathi mina ngibafakela umshiso ngenxa yemsebenzi yabo. Ubumahlobo nokuqala uCFO sisasebenzisana nabo ku involve abantu omaze kuthiwa bodino mathole afuna 50,000 rand akuthiwa bathi kunomuntu iprogram ngazi iprogram yase enkangala. You understand? Kunenye college yabona bonkangala TVET colleges ngazi bathi bane program yani atshela mina athi akunamuntu omaziko ongqondo ngathi mina lo muntu engimaziko uzofuna ifavor naye. Kunentombazana enye kuthiwa uDineo Mathole naye loyo ungijikele. You understand? Abanye abantu bangithengisile ngalinyazwa kwenye indawo kuthiwa seDurban ngalinyazwa khona lapha. uDineo Mathole ufuna ini ama-business kamasipala. But brother, I'm going to say everything. Uyangizwa ukuthi thini? Engangize ngikhulume into engikhohliwe. Uyabona currently ngiluza ama-weight. Ngilinyela imizimba wami ine-crash. Uyabona umzimba munjani? Ngilale emahlathi ngiyagijinyiswa ngifuna ukubulawa. Uyangizwa ukuthi thini? Bazongibulala iqiniso manje. I'm telling you. Kuthathwa i-50,000 rand yonikeza uCFO. uCFO uthembisa uDineo Mathole ini ama-RFQ. I was part of these things. Before anything about SS, what, you understand? Ngizokutshela things that which you must know. So before ngifika lapha siqede sivale kahle ngo-MM. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Municipal manager mekasekaqeda lapha. Sithi thina masiya kuye simnika i-information about izinto ezenzeka emalahleni. Aphinde yena Vieri yena municipal manager yena Vieri. Ungizwa ukuthi ngithini? Maka confronta labantu abaconfronte ngegama lethu. Kunalana wathi kunomunye director wathi kithi ndisathi masingena kamasipala utshela udirector lokuthi wabatshela ukuthi nibe qaphele kunezimpimpi la kamasipala. Usho thina ukhohle ukuthi sibekwe uye lapha kamasipala. Athi kuthiwa kunabantu abasebenzisana amaphoyisa la kamasipala niqapheleni. Abanye bakhona waze wakhomba nesithombe sami ku Facebook athi WhatsApp athi uzolo athi ngithengisa uye lo baba. And kokuqala simsize kakhulu sisebenzisana naye kahle kakhulu futhi. And by that time sizoqala sigena sisebenzisana naye. It was when kuno executive mayor kuthiwa uConnie Nkalijana. You understand? Executive mayor but currently chief whip district eNkangala. My brother yabona South Africa ngizokutshela iqiniso. ngihambile my brother yabona ngizambile izindawo ngikule situation engiyo ipolitiki ngihambile ngazi nabo municipal manager bangale bangaphandle bokurumane ebonoleni Cape le utshala ngabo Martin Tsatsimbe yabazi ngazi indawo eziningi but akunamasipala oyingozi njengomasipala waseWitbank Nombembele chief umasipala waseWitbank ufana ne-kitchen of the politicians it's a kitchen be it national level be it at the brother yabona then there's money there and now let me come it closer. Now it happened ukuthi mangenza masenza i-first crime prevention program. Municipal manager abantu uyasiphika ukuthi usebenzisana nathi. Ne? Ngeke ukucala. Uyasiphika mara sincedana naye. Ungizwe ne? Uyasiphika ukuthi usebenzisana nathi. Kufika i-program i-crime prevention program. Yokucala. Do you know how did municipal manager assist us kule program yokucala ngemali kamasipala? 150 something thousand rand. Kuphathwa la ukudla kuphela ne-catering. Male ungizwe kahle my brother ne? Uthi awusebenzisana nathi awusebenzisani nathi angisho wena. But ku program yethu ayifanda ngemali kamasipala. 150 something thousand. Let's start there. Kuno detective eke wamfonela wamtshela ukuthi uJoseph ufuna ukubulawa Bram ngale situation uthini? Adaya ngisebenza Joseph ufuna uyazi uyamazela understand? Uthi hayi le uthi le out ke ethika sipana nawe office lapha hayi uJoseph azanga sipana nawe office lapha chief kunama transaction engizonikombisa wona asirious kakhulu umunicipal manager thumela mina imali angithuma ukuthi wenze umsebenzi la ngaphandle ungizwe kahle my brother ne kunama transaction amanye futhi kunemali eziphumile ezisirious kakhulu ezaya kumabhizaya ezitradini kuthiwa kumele konakekela abantu bangasabotage umsebenzi yani so my brother lento leyo before yenzeka bese ngibhizi ushuthi okay le part lengicota ipart enguthi mase ngapha ku municipal manager nyambona municipal manager ushaya ngesikhathi you understand uloku asiphika wenza hayi ke mina ngapha ngibhizi ngemsebenzi yami langa lenye kuno mangenza i-crime prevention yes2 crime prevention program yes2 ziyaqala izinto ziba inkinga ke lapho ke manje mang-invite amalentuza kamasipala ama-officials nabantu bani abasa-attend sengiyisitha phela manje ngizokutshela ukuthi why abasa-attend manje abasezi uyazi why because kuthiwa mina ngiletha ama-hawks kamasipala azobopha abantu baboshwa babayezeni bona babalekani bona bathiwa angithi phela i-hawks mawuletha lizo-engage nomphakathi kuthiwa ngithatha information yamaphoyisa ngiqhumanisa nabantu ukuthi abantu bakhona ukusizakala kukhona ngithi abanye kamasipala kubo supply chain balentuza bathengisa amali lentuza ngizokutshela nangebhaya kunelinye ibhaya lapha kamasipala kuthiwa uprincess dladla shoot maka ibhaya end use like usebenzela umasipala ku supply chain uphethe ama-RFQ ama request for quotation ukunikeza ibusiness loyo ngizoyikhuluma indaba yakhe nabo bonke the reason ngikhuluma yonke lento namhlanje is because my brother noyi-one wabo abekho abavelayo you understand kule situation engeyo loyo ngamnika 7,000 rand ebuya ku service provider uyayizwa ukuthi thini ngizokutshela ukuthi wayenzeka lento le ngizoyichaza kahle my brother uyayizwa ukuthi thini labantu laba kudala benza izinto akhala la kimi and before ngenza lento zami zama investigation bengibhizi you understand it was shuthi mangiphuma ngapha kule koma investigation ngiyangaphi because lesikhathi uinvest engaboni sebangimoshela isikhathi nama SSC sebangilimazile ngathi ngcono umuntu abe business journey yakhe business you understand aziqala impilo ngihlukane nalezi zinto lezi so le part engiqola ke ngiqoqa yile time sengihlukane nalezi zinto lezi zama investigation yabona sengiphuma but now sengilinked because sengiyabhadalwa yibo ngapha SSA nabo bangithumela izimali through aboJoni kunezimali eziphumako sinini angithumela nge-information mara vum kunemali engena angazi imali yakhona ikwenzakalani ngayo uyayizwa lento I'm investigating ngithungela kubo Eskom le nginvestigatana nama case wabantu ukuthi amakhebulu Eskom atshontshwa kanjani ngiphakathi kwezinkinga eziserious kakhulu eSouth Africa I mean currently bona labantu kuthiwa bakuthumele base-SSA babalekile manje abasekho kunokuthi ba-assist in terms of i-protection babalekile manje abasekho ngizobaveza so that nazo le gebengu ziyekibo because angithi babaphethe information esirious so my brother iqhubeke into yakamasipala uyayibona uyazi ngathi ngifuna ukuyiletha nge-angle so that ukhona uyibona lento ukuthi ukuze currently ngilanga ingenxa yani uyayibona so mayiqhuba lento iqhube hayi okay ngimithane nomunye meanwhile kungapha kubhizi umasipala into zapho yabona ngimithane no angithi sesenzile isikhathi yabona ngimithane nomunye uncle wami uncle wami is ukupension manje ebeka sebenza kuma Hawks eNational anguluthela Kennel you understand uncle wami loyo umakuwa angithi mina khabo time khabo makuwa imopedi skip izingoma nani umthimunye sibongo saka oledi yebo itime iGrootman lami ngivaye nalo lingisizanga next at the moment of time you understand nala lingisizanga next in fact utshela mina uthi ngidelete ama video internet unokuthi ngingamtshela inkinga zami eziningi kakhulu yikho nento e1 ke wayenza iGrootman lami lelo liyazana namaphoyisa amaningi kakhulu eMzansi mara naye nix ukwenza umsebenzi umulentuzo uhamba imithana nesitha sami umzala wami lo vele naye ubhizi naye kuthiwa uSandboy ubaba ushaya ingoma lapha labantu in fact abazali bamba kufemele kuthathwa nobukhosi khona lapha ekhaya anginamsebenzi naloko vele it's fine sihlangana ekhaya kuphume ingoma yabona le ngoma zasentabeni yabona hayi sifike siyahlangana phuzi whisky vele fedela yabona siyaxoxa kude mtshana kwenzakalani lapha eWitbank ngithi hayi mina ngibhizi ngimsebenzi yami eWitbank and futhi my brother cabanga from last year ngoNovember until to this time lento engintshela yona azikho na ku internet nibantu bokuqala engitholayo uyazi why angisumuntu okhuluma kakhulu lento bengizigwemile ngithi mhlambi situation izawulunga just lapha bengikhipha ngirefer ukuthi ngifuna ukwenza you understand but manje sengizikhipha zonke baza ngibulalela iqiniso my brother uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini ngiyozirhutula zonke vele manje engiyishiya ngazi zabe kuyini engikhohliwe ngiyakutshela ke my brother nemfihle serious enguthi
ngalazi
my brother ngishiye ngalazi uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini ngokukhahlela kwasani vele ngokukhahlela kwasani and into engichaza ngayo I'm willing ukuthi as not I'm willing ngizoba i state witness kulento le I know izolidela lapha abanye boboshwa noma mtshana kuthiwa bathi ngiyaboshwa kulento it's fine vele ngizikuyafana ngifuna ukufa you understand it's fine mina ngiyazazi yabona lento eniyibona kumadlanga lezi kuthiwa abantu ubani kubhizi lapha eWitbank lapha ngizosirhuthula my brothers serious kakhulu kunama million lapha phumako ayatshiwa lapha you understand I'm gonna be honest with you bazongibulela iqiniso kwaba ne14 million kamasipala nje yaba iwaste nje ngizoyikhuluma ukuthi yaba iwaste kanjani uyibuyela lapha sisekhaya sisemqimbini siyakhuluma rangwane dintsanga all right mina mshana ushapa udints wabona ubhizi kango uWitbank kwa wabona ngidano hayi ngibhizi lapha ngimsebenzi yami nani uyayazi Witbank ukuthi idila ngani and bane committee nama-United States Security Agency committee yakhona idila ngendaba ze-illegal mining coal yard and everything ithi le one ke hey man indaba zamalahle kwenzakalani ngithi indaba zamalahle zifuna abo general banibani angifuni ukuzigena kangaka yabona cause ungahamba ukhuluma ngalezi zinto lezi somewhere because uthola ukuthi kanaye kani ukhuluma na kani mngani yang understand uyangitheza yabona ngiyamtshela uthi ngithi no lento lezi man hey man kunabantu enguthi lapha kamasipala bangama service provider but well on the other side bababhizi ngalento lezo which ile group yana le kuthiwa bathi team shikisha ile group yana leyo namhlanje mangena iWitbank bayithenga ukuthi ngigijimise bangihand over ngibulawe yabona lento abafana balapha team lezi yabona labone ngiyakutshela bazoboshwa one by one I'm telling you and mangilo ungijinyiswa ngihambela kuma camera endaweni enguthi ngikhona ukubuild ubufakazi you understand ngibalekele emajardini abantu la kunofakazi unama camera lento leyo ngiyenza intentionally so that kwazeke nakusasa nakuthiwa bathi hey ndoda wena wawuloku claim ukuthi uyagijinyiswa yini yabona because kunomunye ndoda wena wahlala ugijinyiswa nje kwenzakalani uyabaleka right through abana understanding ianke nami lithi kimi no man mchana bona la kuthola ukuthi ngiyamtshela ngithi hayi mina into engenza ukuthi ngazi kakhulu ngendaba zama illegal mining is because kunama program engibhizi ngawo yabona ebese ngiyamtshela ngithi ama program la umphakathi obvious uyafika uvoice out lezinto emakhoneni ngithi mara into illegal mining inenge ngala ngifuna ukuyikhuluma ngayo uthi kimi wena ngitholele information kunala ngizokuintroduce khona ngitholele information ngithi no hayi mina information ngabe ngifuna ukuyihanda over bengingayinikeza uMajor General bani kunomunye major general okupension manje mina nabe siclose besingakhuluma ngendaba zama phoyisa mining what yabona besikhuluma angasista ngokuthi mangifuna ukwenza crime prevention kwale province leya angiconnecte no major general and so wangale athi umuntu osozoletha iprogram eEastern Cape Western you understand ngibhizi ngawo konke lama program kuma different provinces waya kupension uthi kimi that major general is a scam why umngana abo Jacob Zuma mina since ngisebenza nalo major general angimaza njalo wayena sekafuna ukungikhipha lapha uyayizwa ukuthi thini athi no I want to take you to introduce you to someone else that which even if you've got a problem you will be assisted angisayizwa lenkulumo manje naye azange ngichaze inkinga la mina azange ngichaze uthi no I want to introduce there and yes my brother azange ngendaba yakhe ngazithulela so la ngelinye kuphelele imicimbi sibiyele Witbank la ngelinye ngihleli ngithi man namhlanje umuntu ePitori athi ke ngidlule kulo uncle wami ke ngimbone uyabona mina nginalo mcono ukuthi ke ngidlule ngimbone ngoba uthi useka sebenza ke DBCI ke ngimvakashele ngoba ngithi mhlawumbe ukhuluma manga uyabona ke ngeke khona lapha ngithe Ranko ukuphi ngilana ePretoria man yendoda lo muntu kaMhlanga you understand I distance enye edenyana so kaMhlanga akekho emsebenzini uhleli uthi une meeting nefamily lo muntu asuka le my brother ayeke meeting nefamily wazongi-attenda le ePretoria intshisa le ngaka uyithatha kuphi ukuthi usuke efamilini yakho usuke le uzongi-attenda ePretoria sihlangana khona lapha eDBCI lapha kuma Hawks in case lento bathi bayiphika wemuzi kuma Hawks kunama camera ungena kunelinye iboard muzi ku DBCI libhale ukuthi enter at your own risk kuma Hawks mawungena vele kubhale njalo so nami lapha mina was entering at my own risk vele yabona but the DBCI it works very well ngizonitshela iqiniso kunabantu abamosha ama Hawks ayasebenza my brother net kunemgila mkhuba ngaphakathi ethatha imali enzani ngizoyiqhaza nayo leyo nto leyo yayibona afike umuntu sekangipreparele le mina ngimtshela ukuthi ngiyadlula ngizokubona uthi mtshana somara sambe siye kumuntu esiyohlangana naye akangitshela straight ukuthi se state security agents uthi asambe kuthi sokubona manje uthi no just sala simbona ngoba sowula ngitshela yawo ngihamba naye ngithi that's fine ngiseka before ngiba nemoto la that's fine ngizawuthenga igazi vum nathi siyaphuma ngoku siyahamba awusibonanga sibamba iDelmas Road Shona Street seMusanda Street ngimangele muthi lise state security agents la ngenzani la kule lapha mtshana lapha kungena noma ubani awumani wenze noma ngabe yini lento le is a country bathini headquarter in terms of safety uyabona ungamenshina zonke lento ifana neCIA yase-America lento igade the country security you understand and kunama entrance walapha chief amani umani ungena ayingithathi out masifika lapha SSA ngihlangane nenye out babiza ngoRJ Randa yazi wangimention naye le out le ngisizanga next naye loyo akusizanga focus naye loyo ebengimsebenzela ngireportela yena phezukwa lapha mangimtshela ukuthi nginenkinga uthi hambe police station ndoda ngisebenzela institution enamandla eSouth Africa ngireporta kuye as an agent lapha ngiyarecruitwa manginenkinga ngitshela ukuthi ngiye police station I'm going to the lowest rank you understand the lowest police station is the lowest rank to the rank yase and which you understand it's the lowest rank isn't it? These guys they've got the power and the capacity to just even someone to call subs or call force bane power yokubiza nemilitary labantu laba but angisho ukuthi bangibizela imilitary sengikwenzela iexam amandla banawo uyayizwa lento my brother hayike ngiswe lapha same day ngiyathathwa ngifaka kumanye ama office amanye ngicala ngihlala lapha ku receptionist uyavela le out le RJ how are you this is the guy I brought you this is the guy yeah it's him Joseph how are you I'm fine asambe senga sesiyapha manje sengicakile siyangala smallanyana room nyana some sort of interrogation room nyana yabona but small nyana nje yangena yeah chief I heard that you've got ngizwa I heard that you've got an information about the coal in Witbank that is happening sengiyatshela ukuthi mina ngine information my brother azange sicoke ukuthi seyangitshela wena sengitshela wena my brother ngizobathi wena une-information lo kaningitheni kuye mina ke ngamtshela ngathi ngine-information uyayizwa ukuthi thini uyangicaka ke lo manje because ngimentionele kancane ukuthi mina kune-information eso and so and so and so but mangifika lapha sengiyatshela sifuna yonke i-information onayo uyangi-instructor kwesi-2 sifuna i-information onayo ngisengaka-recruitelwa kibo understand lo mjida athi do you have a criminal record ngidongoze ngiboshwe athi okay it's fine and uyabona sengivalelekile and uyayibona le seyikhuluma indaba zakho yabona ungeke ufike lapha then uthi I don't have any information kuyoba ngathi usebenzisana nabo manje laba abatshontsha amalahle yabona kithi no it's fine athi okay first thing bangibuza ngalapha emalahle lento zasemalahle yabona first thing udila na ngamtshela ngithi mina Witbank deala ngento so and currently ngispana no-municipal manager yabona sidila ngento ezinjengalezi athi le out give me no from today I want you to work for me this guy from the state security that I want you to work for me and I know you've got an information and I know good when you know a lot of things that are happening in Witbank chief to be honest vele I know but manje le out mase ikhuluma le story uzithatha up lezi zinto lezi yeah
Yes, there's a question ukuthi ithatha correct I might be wrong but I'm thinking ukuthi people that like the government knows everything about us.
Exactly, bro.
So don't you think ukuthi maybe they know
exactly
they know but
yeah.
they already know about you.
Exactly.
Maybe they only find out maybe
their government
to this person.
Yeah. Uright, I agree with him. Uyazi why futhi ngiyisekela. Mawenza ama crime prevention programs kunama hawks kunani. Kunezispies egovernment ngaphakathi kwalezi zinto lezo. Or sometimes somehow bayazazi lezi zinto mazenzeka. I agree with him. So ilento nami ke yangishaya ukuthi laba already sebane info. Not that is wrong, is correct vele. Looks like now they already know everything about me, that which I was doing and everything. And why the interest? Baningi abantu South Africa, chief. Why interest iba khona ukuthi mina ngirecruitwele ukuthi ngibe agent lase state security agents. Ngidile nge-information engaka dangerous kanga. Mekaqeda lapho uthi kimi okay, just a bit brief us about Witbank and the coal industry. I know it's fine. Yeah, I understand. Ngiyabona ukuthi okay, ngiyabona but le information engintshela la ayiphele la. Angifuni ukungena ke lezi zinto, sengifuna ukubadlulisa ukuthi ngikhona ukuphuma kulento. Uyabona? Ngiyangiphume ngihambe vele ngingasaphinde ngibambe namafoni wabo. Niyonke lami vele ngili-ignore completely. Mara ngeke kuba ignore labantu. Because unalento abayifunayo. Athi kimi ungibuza ngegama currently abantu bakhona bangale bokwaga. They are saying basebenzela yena, which ilink yona vele chaza lokho. Athi do you know Mr. Joe Sibanyoni? Ngithi yamazi.
Bani?
Mr. Sibanyoni. Uthi hayi Mkhotman they understand. Uzokuthi uthini? Uthi ngithi no I know him. What do you know about? Ngithi mina ngazi avela ngimazi time uyabona. Hayi ignore lento leyo. Uyabona? And into engenza ukuthi ngibe newari ukuthi why angibuza. You understand? Manje you know ukuthi siyakubuza ngabanye abantu manje yabona yathi lesiqala ezinye manje. Uyabona? Hayi it's fine kuphume. And kulidele ukuthi vele abantu baka lentuza bagcine baka Mr. Sibanyoni abanye bakhona bagcine sebangifuna manje sengiso. You understand? So ale out ichaze ithi kimi no. Tell me about Witbank. Ngithi no it's fine. Witbank kunama gangs ahlukahlukene. You understand? Kunama gangs adila ngelahle. And futhi adile ngendaba zama service provider. Not zama tender komasipala. There's a gang currently which ihlukene le gang yakhona. Uyezwa ukuthi igang yakhona bokuyiTeam Shikisha. iTeam Shikisha eWitbank bayibiza ngeANC Youth League. Mara makhathele yatshontsha amalahle mara iANC Youth League. It's like sitshontsha izimoto you understand sibanengi and esine influence. But makumele ama vote basinike ikipa zeANC siyazigcoka so influence abantu. wangafuna ukuvota ngikhomba ngomuntu odayo uzokhomba wena uzongithola kahle
Hayi wena.
uyayizwa ukuthi njani lento senguvotisa ngenkani phela manje you understand and wena ungafuna ukuvota uzosithola usani useproblem lokungabi nezinto yokuswela because bazokumakha ngisho wena we enemy yabo that is why in Witbank ithi imjikisha yazi umuntu eWitbank angathi mina nginolethe imjikisha ne mara makwenziwa izinto uyiphathe yabo bathu ba lo mjida lo actor kunabo Sikhaleni ubani lo uSikhaleni imember yalama bangana labantu laba
Obani.
le wethi imjikisha uyangizwa ukuthi thini makwenza ama program abo Sikhaleni bahle bathola bagqokela ama regalia wakhona lapha bathu ba lo yabo le movie kuthiwa iGomora lehlekayo lapha iGomora
Israel.
not Israel kunomunye manje uyayibona le awuthi le enokufaka isticks nyana la biyabe isigebengu naye bangani lapha
Yeba.
Brang phethe izithombe ngiphethe ama video ngiphethe ama file amaningi kakhulu brother
Uthi.
bathu bale awuthi lena
Uyatomula nje.
understand bathu bani le awuthi le bathu bani bokuyindoda akazodwa lapha eGomora le time lo bekane tavern lo entshebe lo ngathi unempahla bathu bani le awuthi le man inekwenza ama moves afana inyana
Umjita lo fixayo manje ngathi
unempandla nyana unentshebe
Lotho lozo.
yeah naye uyilentuza lapha uyimember
Yeba.
uyayizwa ukuthi thini lento so manje okay ngicede ngizoyichaza zonke lezi zinto lezi mapha and mina my brother umuntu ozifilayo akaye court uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini ngiyakutshela ngithi ozifilayo makaye court and mina lento engizikhuluma ngobuningi bakhona they know them eWitbank my brother bazongibulalela iqiniso ngizoqhaza my brother kahle nokunye ngikhiphele nezinye ezisirious kakhulu nawo 260,000 rand aya 180,000 ngizochaza my brother ukuthi semina ngilethela ama 260,000 rand ngama plastic wase Checkers
Unamba.
ngizoyichaza my brother ungawari wena then from there
Ile mnyango kade.
yeah from there kwenze ukuthi my brother uyadlala from there kwenze ukuthi ngiye lapha eMusanda bangitshela ukuthi bheka lapha next week futhi uyafuneka la uze sizokusa ku polygraphy sizokusa ku process you're going to go process yokuthi ube recruited as an agent here in Musanda ise ngathi Delmas Road la ePretoria mara iyodwa ngathi seyiplotting elinye elikhulu kabi you understand
Ngathi vele nobona movie yase America.
Yeah. Zilapho yeah
Imali ayifuna umsindo. Njengebank lapha.
you understand ile yodwa vele le yeah iyodwa vele bese mawumela abo head office be subs balapha ne head office yo military balapha yonke into le lapha mthana waya wathatha ama chance 3 minutes nengi ukuthi kune force engangena lapha yakona so it help kwenzeke my brother ukuthi ngiye la ngirecruitwe okay kokucala ngiprovide le information le banike yonke information yabona abayidingako kanti now Impumalanga presidential cartel lena ishaye kakhulu amalahle Eskom already abanye bakhona bebaseba investigate abanye seba bagijinyiswe bathathela imoto mina ngivela mase kunabanye abashodayo abangazange baboshwe badingekayo uyangithola imbomba yakhona abanye bakhona bangithumela nabo 100,000 ma account my brother ngine statement mina la uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini ngine statement ngina yonke into mina la okunye kokhona maqeda lapho ithi imjikisha before ihlukana yayihlukana but bekumajita strong eWitbank abashayela ba report eprovince number 1 ulentuza umswati umduduzi mega leader political uChristopher Hlebele
Mawuthi umswati khuma umswati loshonile.
hayi loyo umswati oshonile bekuyilaba aban relationship nabo Mr Sibanyoni bahlukile lapho yeah lo munye waselentuza ubuya ebonele spread I mean not bomgozi le ubuya le yabona so manje le i-close no Lentuza no bathu bani le timer bekubo DD bangibe fashion beba report but manje sibeka seka close noMandla Msibi yazi uMandla Msibi you understand
Msibini is dangerous.
you are now angithi manje sekaphumile ku service delivery part uyayibona labantu labo chief yabantu ekudala abafuna ukucithwa kudala vele you understand mina ndoda angazi kuba kudala ngifuna ukucithwa ngifuna ukubulawa vele kwakona lokho ubuswathi kokwa-organize abafananyana bangispire kudala ngifuna ukubulawa ndoda mina
Lokho uyaphunyuka.
lo ngiyaphunyuka you understand ngifuna ngilo ngiyabulawa ngifuna ukubulawa nangitshelile na last week cishe ngabulawa ngitshela ngithi last week la ngicishe ngilanda from le kwaNdebele bukwakha bakushiya ngawangibulale khona ngale la masayidi lawa ngale lokho ngidla phansi nini manje ngasikudala bengivaleleke kuyi-block bulinga iflat for 4 days ngakhona ukuphuma kuneyimoto zisipayile ama-taxi taxi rank basempumalanga ama-taxi driver bayimpayi phezu kwami mangiceda ngena nabo umashayeli bakhona benza ama-video call bathi akusuye lo funekako izinto nalezo ngina kuma-taxi rank kuze mina le empumalanga lebukwakha ngifuna ukubulawa khona le ingenxa ukuthi lapha ekwakha kunongithengiswe khona lapha kwaphuma imoto ekusasa kwakhona athi bagcina sebama kunye indawo kuthiwa senkangala kume emakhonini baphethe ama-AK47 abangani bakho Sipho Mahlangu loyo uSefo akaphike naye makafuna ukuphika ngimtshela ngithi labantu laba jo baze baya nasendaweni la kuhlala khona ugogo wami ba-round daily chat la sekhaya ngaphandle baphethe izibhamu ngibabhekile bumnyameni what is the meaning of that Brian bangitracka ngale phone ebengihamba ngayo that's why iphone ingasaphindi ngiphathe ngihamba ngithi event ngiyatrackwa nazo event okunye kwe-out kwabe-Mercedes bonke zibuya lapha ekwakha zonke lento lezi zasekwakha 20 zonke le genginyana ngada batshelwa ubani inamba ikhitshwa uye lo CFO abo MM bayakwazi nako lokho you understand abaphike chief MM angaphike ukuthi yena akunayo anything ayaziwe ngami kunamanye ama-chat wakudala kakhulu chief nanoma ngamanye akhona kuthiwa bathe delatile musa ngithi lento intelligence yakhona ukurequesta ama-chat from ku-WhatsApp wakudala noma ngingadelete bathatha i-contact number yakho kuwe yaregister ku-WhatsApp bayakhona ukuyorequesta ama-chat wakudala lawo MM futhi wangitshela ukuthi angitshele ukuthi ufuna ngi-investigate abasebenzi bakhe bakamasipala abasebenzi bakamasipala base-Witbank la emalahleni bahlele nje abazi ukuthi MM uphethe incwaba ye-information ngabo imagine ngiyiboss ngimunicipal uyenzani information yabantu engaka ngithi lona lo wenze so why bangaboshiswe WhatsApp ama-file abantu municipal manager isn't it that he was supposed to try and make sure ukuthi information kunabantu ababoshiwe currently uyayizwa ukuthi ngithini ngambana nama-case akhona baboshiswa and le information leyo u-municipal manager yakwazi u-MM ayikho into angayazi esasiyenza sisebenzana ayikho labantu abafuna ukungibulala keep inamba ngami abahambe bomvakashela lapho kukhulu naye akwaziwo naye lapha uyayizwa ukuthi thini lento le so manje ke alright ke ngibuyele lapha endabeni zokuba recruited ngirecruite lapha futhi ngirecruite bangitshela ukuthi next week sikufuna la alright ke next week phela manje sengiyancinci le institution engifuna ngenye institution vele nami ngitete gazi ngizasala ngiphume entweni isibhaya thi ngisala ngibona ukuthi kwenzakalani la uyabona kanti ngisifaka emanzini amanye abila gqobo ngisifaka amanye amanzi aserious kakhulu ke yabona impilo yami icala ukumoshakala mangicala ukusebenza ne-state security agency imoshakale lapho ke bhuti uyabona i-red leli limhlophe lisetshenziswa ukutesta igezi uyabona lokhu basebenzisa ama-red nyabasebenza for ama-testing nama-chemical mina ngibe yi-red lapha esetshenziswayo ukutesta izinto you understand I'm telling you my brother i-information yabantu beyithestwa ngami Eskom kunani hamba yimi ngitholakala lapha power station eduva kunani hamba yimi ngikhuluma ngikugijingiswa mina waya bona amahleli kuhleli ukumile mina ngime testing red lapha ngiyavuthelwa ngeinformation ngiyaphansi phezulu ayikho into eyenzakalako ngami mangiba reportele nyagijinyiswa go to police station phela ukhumbule negundwane maloku litesta liyahlubeka my brother yabona nami sengiyahlubeka phela nami sengiyafika ukuthi phela lazenza nginetha there's no turning back ngiye musanda ngithathwe ngise kwelenye room lapha polygraph process but it is a lie detector netso yabona icamera netso thatha icamera same one bayibeke so but izintro kunomunye my sister omhle njani lapha futhi ngaphakathi lapha lento zena omunye wevenda bashiye sidu lapha ngaphakathi ungibuza imibuzo lo my sister yabona ashe ngicakile mara labantu laba bathatha umfazi bangishaya nomfazi la and mawungena lapha yabona le ndlu njani uyangena vele udlule kitchen dining room njengoba kusoma brother izofo wavele nje angithi mina kahlahle ngithe ukuthi umuntu zeka granny esese bamhlaba ngendlu fast kangaka ngidambu zingaze ngaba grand yabona uyadlala wena usadlula uyahamba kule ndlu le vum uwela kwelenye room brother le room ewela kilo leli kungathi is a charge or is a bathini interrogation room lapha ngaphakathi mara umuzo omuhle mawungena lapha kule room leli so uyabona ukuthi ngathi la kahle zenguphi la kuneminye imshini kunezinye into eziningi nama camera lapha ngaphakathi lo my sister uyangitshela uphethe nelinye document lapha ma brother lapha mawungena kunalama agent lawa aba employed baye university yabo benzani baqashe kahle ukuthi njengalabo Rwanda bese kunathi ama testing rat yabona kunalathe yabo musibobukela ama movie bakhona usebenzisa umntwana esikole atholi yabo le kunalama agent lawa ke undercover yithi laba ama agent laba ke laba bakhona ukuthola information wena ucabanga ukuthi angeke uzithole mina ngifuna abantu useBakersford ubhaqile ngizokuvundulula lapha my brother
Hawu.
Baya moya.
Hayi wena.
Ekushela abantu ubhaqile vele wena ufihle ngizokulanda lapha my brother. Yadala. Ile skill lesinaso abakhona ukusilanda lapha my brother. Kunegenge eningi my brother mina ngivumbululile kuthiwa bathi lona ushayela hle serious bathi ngeda adlala wena. Vumbula itsotsi ushithi mangale kuvela amabhaka abrika lapha egedini. Ngithunyiwe nami lapha kanti ngiyathengiswa mangifika lapha. Ngi-testing rats. Nyelo bangishaya ngamachoke ngiyavuthelwa waya. Hayi my brother kushaphi ngicale lapha le out le eUrwanda le is so confident ngami to a point where the polygraph I was even told before he submitwa ngalo kuthiwa wona uphasile uyosebenza la. Madoda ngisengaqala nje nokunye okuyanenge kuwezwani we understand my brother ngisengafika ndani mara sengiphasile sevele mina ngicashile. Phasile yeah. Kune out yami imile la bangibuza nangali out la. Ipolygraphy umocamba manga lento angithi bakufaka imshini eminye so
why are they doing it like
yezwa
vele umuntu omsukulo vele
yezwa bafunani bafuna umuntu honest nangabe ke watshontsha ama chappies eShoprite ubatshela ukuthi ke ngatshontsha ichappies eShoprite intelligence iphaka kanjani my brother you understand so bakuchecka lokuthi honest kangakanani mangabe ukhuluma manga izo recommend hey shamanga le iyatshontsha muzi yavuthela nabo ice cream abantwana abancane emafrijini lento le kusho ukuthi iyakhona ukukutshela kusho ukuthi it's a lie detector mara abanye bakhona ukuyicheater icheck ama veins wakho ya iperformance yomzimba wakho when they are asking you a question so and a question mawi pendula inaye yakhona uchaza ukuthi no lento le kusho ukuthi ama waves lawa makaqala le rate ayasho ukuthi no ivari yayibona so mina manje ngingaba honest my brother ngiyangaba honest ngaze ngabashela ngathi hayi nginga remember back then as a primary mama mbekabeki 5 rand lapha ayishaya la 5 rand leyo benganamali obukhero ngahamba la esikolweni athi uyangiphanisha ulini ngayichaza nje ngachaza alles thing ngokuluku useless ivideo leyo yonke ichaza mara lento ayilapha bakushaya and after that kuzozi questioning manje uyobuzwa imibuzo based on into ozikhulumile manje sekuze questioning so uyaqhaza nakho kona lokho you understand chaza yonke lento le uyachaza my brother le process le ayisi process okudlala le asikuthiwa bathi tell us about yourself hawa mina nguzibani I'm coming back what then whether ufailile athi bheka mnganami nayiclipanyana o athi ngigaye something nyana ngizokufaka kule job akusebenzi kanjalo lapha kusebenza ngeqiniso lapha straightforward so manje mina ngibone ngathi kahle kahle la mina sengithathele ukuthi vele sengine information already abayidinga izona bathi ukuthi ngiphasile or angiphasanga or ini vele ngathathwa ngafaka ngangena guess nabo gebe ngiqala kufika khona lapho khona nabo kuyaboranda nabo kuthiwa kimi kuthiwa kimi sizokunika ifoni sizokunika neSIM card ngabona lapha ngathi lezo lezi ngizela nemiqondo unika ifoni unika iSIM card ngisebenze ngalo ngisaphatha okunye ifoni wami kusangena ama S23 Ultra yabona ngiphatha 2024 yabo ngibe sekulongiphethe yona vele hayi ke ndoda labantu usebenze nabo ispace ngene esincane mara bese ngivithikile
yini man
ngisho ukuthi bese kumoshakele impilo yami vele bese ibhamukile completely very short space of time in a year mara so uyaqala uyagijinyisa uyazi mara lesikhathi ngibusy ngenza ama crime prevention program engalanda manje siyagijinyiswa lana siyagijinyiswa bobani manje you understand and mangigijinyiswa laba futhi before boNovember labo futhi bangijimisa bayangiyeka ngihlele endlini ngilele ukhala idrone phezulu nje idrone ifuna la ngihlala khona ngithi lesi siyangimonitora manje ukuthi mina ngenzani all right it's fine my brother kudlule lo ngisuke lana ngibuyele eWitbank mangivike eWitbank hawu ngiceda ngiceda ama interview one nje ngeke recruiter senyasebenza same day kusasa hamba endaweni eso sifuna information esona so hawu imlapha ping yale gide umuntu usebenzele state security agent at least nyana yabona akade uyadlala uthatha ama chance kwakungcono ukuthi upendane nabothonthwana bapenda ubhoreka upendane neenkuku it was much better there because your life then and remember when you get there bona ba behind when you're at the front you understand so my brother it's fine ngiqale ke manje ngiye Eskom bangithume Eskom sifuna information eso Eskom ngiye my brother cable theft ngiye my brother yes ngiyaqala nyakhonona ngidaba nina nithizeni nizongibhadala and manje sekuyi 2 months manje ama traveling ngizonginikeza traveling allowance manje nithizeni ngizonginikeza nemali ukuthi ngikhona ukuthela ama petrol you understand ayisekho yonke manje lento le siyabalaba ngithi hayi angibhadalanga nokubhadala 2 months yonke ngisebenzisa izinto zami ithi Joseph go there man I'm going to give you 10,000 rand ngithi wala lokhu ngithatha njani lokho okay it's fine ngihambe my brother mangibuya lana ayisanginiki le 10 information sikayayithola yezini ngithatha icall ngithi locanga udangaza abantu lo thatha icall ngifonele umunye ugeneral major general lapha kuma okusasa sekhona ngathi chief angijele kahle basebenza njani lapha ngoba phela manje mina ngiyathathwa ngizaphansi phezulu ngiinvestigatewa ngibusy nginvestigate nabantu aba dangerous ngigejana nama supervisor ama security ngenza yonke lento le labantu laba ukunginikeza itsinyana athi bakujwayela labantu laba let me call the senior there general afonile senior hey nekafonile senior yazenzani says orchestrator fake arrest on me fonela usenior abafakela ipressure athi nenzani sina wakhona yamkena uyawa involved in this serious South Africa is a very powerful man afonela usenior yes lezi thini kimi ebusuku ngicela ngitexta uncle wami uthi mchana you are going I'm happy to let you know gore as you are recruited you're going to be taken to a training nyara hayi training sengibuya khona mzilapha ngicedile ngento zabo laba abafuna ukuzithatha so manje lona ukhuluma ngani yabona kanti bakhulumile la bathi intwana yakho phela seyifuna information seyifike kuma boss wethu yabona lesi sithini sithi angazi le yasendlini ngiyayitshela ngicale ngasendlini before ngifona ugeneral ngathi labantu bakho sebadlala ngami ungithethe wangisa lapha sengiyagijima phansi phezulu ngikhohle into ezami ezibalekile ngapha impilo yami and wena so masihamba lapho uthize mchana it will be a conflict of interest manga register usebenzele mina phume kuye futhi loyo ngasayenge indaba yakhe phone ugeneral in 2 days chief these guys from SSA ngihlele endlini yami I think it was Saturday by that time kuthunyelwa ama Hawks manje damagata ithuwa belungu ama Giant bavaya ngeGTI ama Hawks unbranded ipaka lapha egedini ngihleli mina lapha endlini mayipaka kunabantwana abadlala ngaphandle uncle there are people are calling you outside yabona emazothi bobana bangibizayo complex namabhachela nama rentals yabona mangithi xa ngamlanyana zime lapha egedini Joseph come here man come here but where's your phone ngithi phone yami isendlini yabona so I say no my phone is in the house but just go and collect it ngihambe ngilanda ifone yami ngiphume mangiphuma base just come here must we handcuff you or what ngithi handcuff me for what now what are my charges don't even read my rights. You want to cover me. Well, you understand? But just get to tell us about your rights. But vulumyango, vulelo ingam la, kufaya ngale butile club. Baqala bayarasa. Who are you working for? Ba driving mode. Ngathi bo vobenyana abanye ngabantu. There's abanye ama-timer bezingamla noma kuthiwa basebenzela amaphoyisa. Babenza abovobenyana. Babenza ikala umicombuthi nyana. Ungathi umdala ungaka uhamba wathi balanda umuntu ongangami. Ngifake emotweni so yang-intimidate. Who are you working for? Yeah, I heard that you are busy with illegal mining. Hawu sekuyimi busy nge-illegal mining manje. Asho njalo ama-hawks. Yeah, you are busy with illegal. We heard that you talk to people. Eh? What's going on with you? Where's your phone? Mina, guys, what are you talking about? Because I'm arrested. I'm busy with illegal mining. Now they are saying that you are talking to people. Nikhuluma ngani kahle kahle. Kwenza unyobani? Iphi ne-warrant of arrest. Hey manje ake nichazeni kwenzakalani. Zingithathe lezi ama-hawks ziyahleka izingamla. Hey, this guy talks too much, eh? Talks too much. Ngiyanaste ngiyabona ukuthi labo vobenyana lapha. Bangithathe mangifike e-police station ngiyakhitshwa ngisa ku-charge office. Sengiyathathwa ngisa ku-charge office. Mind you, I'm already an agent ngapha. Sengiyabasipane lapha ngikhipha information busy lapha. Le one mayiqeda lapho. Ngithathwe ngiba sengibanjwa vele ngathi ngisiboshwa ngibanjwa la emuva prime ngizivukela ekseni ngizigqokela amanqapsi bengizitshela ukuthi ngozihlala nje epark ngizirelaxele sengiyagukutshwa ngithatha ngibanjwa ngama-loops ngiyakhona ngale charge office phakathi e-police station kudlalwa lo mdlalo loyo ngiyangale charge office mangifika e-charge office kulanda i-docket cover elifake lamaphoyisa libekwa lapha phezu kwapha kuthiwa yeah tell us what's going on, you are under arrest chief now and we are going to take you to the cell ngabathi athi mata ake ningimoshela isikhathi ake ningihambiseni emaseleni ngizokhona ukunivuleka iqala kahle limnandi benginisuke mangiceda lapha ngathi le nto whatsoever that you're orchestrating here is not even making sense because the first thing you came to me did not read my rights. You're telling me I'm under arrest. So and then on the other side of the issue I'm not even aware what you're talking about. Secondly, you are bringing a fake cover la docket la. You understand? That which you are telling me, there's not even my name, there's nothing, there's not even a statement, there's nothing. That they say our informers on the ground, they told us everything about you. I said, okay, it's fine. Your informers will be at court. And among that, bathatha phone yami bayilahlele ematafuleni bayarasa bashaya amatafula. Yasitsho ngagcina sengibhoreka ngibabheka so. Ngathi ngicela ifone yami, I just need to make a phone call. uRandall wathi yena mangabe if there's an issue ngimfonele ngithatha ifone my brother ngifonelele out Mr. Randall kanti uvovo wenze yonke lento le ukuthi mina ngifonile bebafuna ukuthi imali bebafuna understand ukuthi mina ngifonile ukuthi angibhadala yes bebenza mangibanike information badla ngale info bathethe enye agent ba register understand i-agent enye mangithumela information kudliwa imali yami idliwa ile agent le enye leya basebenzise yona ukuthi mangithumela information mebabhadala every month babhadala le mina ngiyadliwa ngapha mina then le out is a problem it don't talk to the generals from the Hawks and everything afika uRandall makafika ngiyamtshela ngithi chief ngiyamfonela ngithi chief phela ngila e-police station charge office kufika abantu laba ngitshela ngama illegal mining and mina illegal mining isiphanela wena sidila nawo uthi don't guess what lo muntu ula eGauteng la uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini uthi don't stress I'm around subs here in Witbank I'm just doing something I'll be there in 3 to 5 minutes ngithi lokhu yangihlanyela lokhu ngiyangijwayeleka ngikugulela lokhu ngihlelela ngithi lokhu uhlala lesekufike nini la ngihleli kwesinye isitulo sibheke eminyango mangithi kukhuluma ngefoni kula eminyango yesho ukuthi makaqeda kudrop ifoni ngikubhekile la yabona iminyango musune line la ngikubhekile la kuyasayinelana la lobo vobenyana la bayithula lapha basayinelana lapha ngabayasayinelana yabona yangena my name is Randall from State Security Agency ukhomba labo lamajita wakho amakhadi ayi2 bakhombisa nekhadi bayaphuma la hlala la phansi vele ngabhoreka Brian ngabhoreka blind yazi ngabhoreka ngadineka kathi mara this guy mara kasho lwenzani leso sikhathi yabona Bram yabona sengwehla umzimba njani ngehla umzimba ngathi ngikuke nethemvula Bram sengehlile yanganaza ukusebenzana la yonke ngize there's no need ukuthi ngifihle manje Bram you understand people need to know and I'm going to mention ukuthi abantu ukufa kwami kusezandeni kwabantu abasona so you understand ngife vele mara I know yabona because uJesu inkosi nomsindisi but uNkulunkulu angivikela all the way I always pray ngisuke ke manje akhulume nami I told you man ikhala don't talk to these people man you understand ngithi mina kuye hawu ngikhulume nobani ngithi wena kahle kahle kokuqala sengimina senginterrogate yena lapha echa ngithi kokuqala wena ngibhadali number 1 nithe kunemali iphuma lapha iza kimi kwesi2 ngiwesta imali amene engabe ningithethe ngibhizi ngento zami le nibhizi niseningifaka kule nto yendli yala anengihayi anengenzi fokol nicama ukuthi mina ngenza lama phone calls engiwenza wonke la nicama ukuthi ama phone call one la lama traveling ngiwenza nicama ukuthi izinto zani zonke lezi zinto lezo you understand ngathi guys yekela le ndaba yenu ukudlala ngami asembelief niyadlala too much athi don't talk to the generals otherwise these guys they're going to have a problem with ngathi ubani uzoba ne problem nami ngibhadalani leni ngizothulela ngizosebenza ngokusikhandla my brother labantu laba ezibenzeni iwani ithi kimi isiphume lezi sezihambile lokuhamba mara just say give us a second uthe give me a moment ngiphume ingithathe lena ingifake phakathi kwejeep enama blue light angithi bana yonke inhlobo thathe le out ithi we will arrange some payments for you don't talk to anybody that you are working for us ngithi kwasekucela zange ngikhulume sengadina ukuthi ngigijima phansi phezulu ngathi ngiyadlala ngenyoka ngathi ngibalekele Vasco da Gama you understand so ngamthe ngathi wathi kimi no it's fine wangithatha sangifaka emotweni asahamba uthi angidrope kuphi ngithi ngidrope khona la sesiyaphuma ngithi ngidrope khona la eCliff uthi kimi don't mind those guys I'm going to talk to them ngathi tell those guys to fuck off ngamthe ngathi tell those guys of yours to fuck off yes why angithi sengiyazi vele ukuthi you castrated ngamtshela ngathi tell them to fuck off bese ngidiniwe nokudinwa vele ngendlini yami dala lapha endlini yami brother sevele inhleke moya yami vele uphansi bayifika leni ngitshela ngesipana hanga espanini lapho mina ngasidulela yakho I need information somewhere they say there's a what exaro ya chifta manje ngathi kunabantu ababhizi ngathi ngavele ngamshaya ngebhomu ngathi angilapho mina ngihlanyela futhi in fact vele angisayi hayi le yathi udlula iviki ingithumela 3000 rand eNetbank ngithi prime nginamali ukuhamba ngifuna ukwenza izinto zami sengikhathele kusebenzisa imali yami ngithi manje ngithi ngifuna ukuba busy sami anginamali uthumele ubona nokunobutsotsi ngaphakathi imali iza ngama e-wallet manje kuthungele eNetbank i3000 rand thatha izinto zami 3000 kanti imali angena account sizwe yakana say institution eserious mara ngibhadala ngama e-wallet such a very big unit institution in South Africa ngibhadala ngeNetbank 3000 rand avele ngayibheka lapha bathatha kahle kwenzakala ama brother yazikwenze ngisithulele thatha le 3000 rand le ngivanye kule spani ngibuye ngishanye ikhahlele ngivele yangikwatisa na le 3000 rand ngivithize ngisithulele ithi isekapa kudlule uDecember Christmas uyahlanga understand January bathi ilentuze ivaliwe and then sizo next year sizoku-arrangela kahle ama payment yesenzani letsotsi yabona ukuthi ngiyayihlupha manje yabona i-arranger enye omunye umlungu abathi uJohn guess what uJohn loyo ile agent elinye elalidla imali yami yes sekafuna ukuyiqondisa manje yayibona uzonjani uJohn lo seka ile agent elifuna ukudla elibeluku lidla imali yami yes uJohn Makeza yabona lento ze intelligence my brother yabona mongazi umuntu osicaphelayo nina niyadlala ezekushaya that ngile deep to a point where ungasi aware ukuthi uhleli kanti ubhekiwe uyabona but abasibhekanga manje sengwezela example and also I need to advise you uyabona le number yakho mayehleli lapha ku internet ufonela abantu abaningi kakhulu uyabona abane information iserious njengami bazoyiklona le number leyo the next thing umuntu makafona bazozwa balalela ukuthi lo yalapha uChris lo ukhuluma ukuthi ugogo komthathela ipension fund ayisuka
Qinisile angithi khona lento inamba idala uma ufuna ukucheck ukuthi bayiklone then vele ngithoma ngenza ngayibona bayiklone then bese udala inamba then
remove so leyo nto le umuntu understand umuntu epodcast le number level yakho uyasithatha le sim card uyasiphula uyasilahla sisebenze WhatsApp kuphela wena udile nene i-call unikeza a specific person because number 1 yabo le into esicoca la kungenze ukuthola i-call kuthiwa delete lento
ngoba thuka nomka
batshela
ukuthi akudelete into
nganasenea bangakutshela delete le uyoyithola because le kunabantu engizoba mention la manje enguthi for an example le ntwana ezimfunako intwana ezireporta ngale eGwagga kubo Mr Sibanyoni bonke lamajida lawa ahlala ngadanga. You understand? Angeke ngufihle lokho ngoba vele sinyafunwa. Uyezwa ukuthi thini lento? Uzoyifihla kanjani ngoba vele uyazi ukuthi bayakufuna labantu laba.
Yeah, mara vele leklone ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngathi mara bayiklonele.
No, inkinga yakho my brother yazini mawudila nele number le, nawudila ngalezi zinto eziso. Njengami ngikufole ngeprivate number uyakhumbula every time akumele ngize ngiba nenkinga. Every now and then mangize ngiyagijinyiswa. Bayalalela la bayazi ukuthi le vobo sekafuna ukuyoyale. Uyoceba khona uyokhithiza izindaba nanga le. Ake simba my brother ngiyafuna strong hayi kancane ngiyafuna blind. And abanye bakhona baba ne problem. Yabona ngishuthi ngiyafuna ngisazofika nakubofikile embalula prime. You understand? Ngiyafuna hayi kancane ngiyafuna. Bafuna ukungibulala abantu laba. And for that matter, South Africa mele ngidonetele ke ngokuthola i-safe house zami my brain. You understand? Because most of the thing la into zabo ngisizabo phela sekufela amaqala wase South Africa enga-understand. So manje after that ngisuke lapha eMusada ngilentuze ngishiftwe. Uyabona? Ngibe ngi-agent. Mangiqeda lapha my brother mase ngisuka ngihamba. Ngi-recruiter. uJohn mekafika, yeah Joseph. Muye umlungu so. Uthi where can we meet? Yabona? Ukhuluma net so vele. Ngithi no we can meet uthi no. Le out lena ihlala la ePretoria mara seka ne map yase Witbank yonke. Uthi ke me where can we meet? Uqala usend WhatsApp Joseph, I think you know there's an issue. I'm supposed to meet with you. My boss seniors from the state security agencies, they've sent that I must meet with you and so forth. So can we also make sure that we meet? Sekabuza mina where can we meet? Utshela mina ukuthi let's meet at Magen Bean Highfield Mall Witbank. Ngithi mina so zazi njani lezi zinto uthi ngoba wena uhlala. Inkinga yakho yabona ukuthi so uyaphapha. Bemele ubuze mina. Yamtshela ukuthi uyaphapha wena mlungu. I told that the way like ukukhuluma ngakhona. This is here too forward chief because you were supposed to tell me where we meet because now you are instructing me where you are supposed to meet. What about my safety? Because already there are people that was me outside, but you now currently you are telling me we must meet here. Sorry Joseph, it's fine. Sihlangane ingamla yazi shukuthi ngenzeni. Mangifike emoto. Ngingene emoto. Ngithi ngizofuna umdile nge-hour le ngifuna umbona kahle ukuthi ihle kuhle. Uyabona? Yeah, ifika ingamla ethunyelwe eyahlale le ya agent lapho. Uhlele eduze ne-entrance. Obvious imall yazo Witbank yazo yonke. Yabona? Uyangitshela ukuthi ngigcoke and kumele describe ngigcoke ikhepe so, ngigcoke iskipe so, ngigcoke nani so. So ngizo arrive ngesikhathi so endaweni so. Uthi yafike khona lapha. Ngifike emall ngihlala i-hour eli-1 ngimdile ngamabomu. Yabona? Aloka phone ngiyamdrop. Ngifuna ukubona kahle ibehavior yakhe ukuthi mekazokwata uzoreact njani. You understand? Because umuntu makwati lokhuluma izinto then that's why yabona ukuthi enyajika mina la ngeke ngisebenze nali out. So ngenza ngimshisa ngamabomu ukuthi and yezwenzani was very polite, bloody trained that one. Come my brother. You understand? Yeah. Devin omkhulu bloody trained that guy. Well trained dog my brother. Bloody trained. That guy ne kwabona umuntu umdile nge-hour mara still come. No Joseph, no it's fine. I'm still relaxed. You can come. I'm just having my coffee when you arrive. What must I do for you? Can I order for you so long? I'll order for myself. Ufuna ungifakele ushevu. Kusuke ngene ngale hour lelo. Mangena ngale hour lelo, ngiyambona udescribe ngishaya ngathi ngiyamdlula ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uyangazi na. Shaya ngathi ngiyamdlula. Ayingazi le bar. Mangishaya ngathi ngiyadlula mangiyele ngibuye ngidonsa isitulo duzana ngihlale phansi. You understand? Mangibuye angimbuza ukuthi ubani. Ngivele ngidonsa isitulo ngihlale phansi ngimbheke emehlweni. Ado, I see you Joseph. Now I understand. How are you? Yabona? Yangibona lo sathana nyana lapho aqhaze manje. Joseph, I want you to understand. I have heard that you are very wise. You know how to get the information. And I've noticed some of the few things, the report that you are giving, they're very much accurate. So the only thing that you need to do now, you must be very careful in the street, how you are dealing with things. Sengilalele motivational speaker that time mina ngithi ngizodiscuss. So I know all of these techniques. Yabona? From that point, this man says, what would you like to order? Ngithi angizela ngudla. Ngizele kuzoza ukuthi kwenzakalani. I don't know, okay, it's fine. They've said me that you must work with you and everything that you must work. Ngithi ngicela ibona ifoni yakho. Ngicela ukubona ukuthi nangempela bakuthumele kimi, nangempela kune boss yakho bakunika ama contact details. Feder bayishaye ngeformality. Joseph Mthimwe, my contact details, address, everything. Boom. Oh, this is the thing. Ubhalwe ngeAfrikaans. Time in Afrikaans Bram. Angizwa as translator seku Google. Copy and paste the information lapha. ngenza ngamabomu yangithola copy and paste chaza yonke lento kuthi ngiyamfoka yabona abona ukuthi lesigebengu lesi and it's not like ngesigebengu it's because I have learned to maneuver with the system yabo ye intelligence. So now after that I happened to be said good no it's fine no problem Joe but kunemali engimele ngikunikeza yona I must give you that money in cash. Not in cash. The government iyabhadala abantu ngecash. Ayikho yonke lento le. There's a system that is called entrapment. Entrapment is when someone takes a bribery, you're arrested on the spot. So meaning that when I give you money, then there are those that are going to arrest you. So meaning that in future, they can organize something like that. But now I've orchestrated, I've arranged something which involves bribery. So my account straight ngo. But no, there's a document that you must sign. Sharp. When I was at every time I see a meeting, ulethe sign imali ngene, ulethe sign imali ngene. As long imali hleli accountini. Ngamtshela ngathi angangithathe otherwise sinawasebenza. Hambe uyobatshela ukuthi sinawasebenza. Nangempela le out next week ifaka imali vo.
Money.
Bangijwayela faka 5,000 rand uvo. You understand? Kuthiwa yimsebenzi ngamtshela ngathi hayi. Akusimali yapi. Kanti le out le ma 5,000 abafaka kunemali eserious engenako uyayikhatha. Uyayidla. Thola ukuthi mina bekumele ngithola lapha ma 20 or something. Ufake iqathula. Angimtshele kahle. Ngithi it's fine. Kanti mina ngithi ngiyazi nento zami nje ezingiphilisayo engibhizi ngazo. Hayi ngispane chief. Nini izinyukunyana imali zakhona ziyahlukahluka. Ushuthi zi above low, you understand? I understand imali khona ipayment enjani le nje uyabona. Ngibuze mina ngithi mina why inhleke imali yami ihamba through wena? Ingaphumi straight lapha. Yabo? Hayi le outing tshela no. So manje le outing tshela ukuthi no, I was told from the SSA that you are someone else with a very serious information. And I was told about the skill of investigation that you have. Hayi sinyathula manje. Sebahleba ngami manje nababodwa yabona angizithulele. My brother lento ingithatha isikhathi ukusebenza ngayo and ngithema ngiqala usipana labantu sengigijimisa ababantu yabona ngiphume kulento ngithi ke ngiyiputshuke kancane singasakhuluma isinale out mara ama meetings siba nawo ngimnika le information ayifunayo ngiphume kuyo ngimnika le information ayifunayo ngiphume kuyo kanti labantu laba emakhoneni kunama illegal mining nani engibanikeza wona labantu mama illegal mining bagcine bazi ukuthi mina ngiyaba investigator ngibekwe at the front ukuthi mina I'm the person investigating the illegal mining. It led to a point whereby nami sengiqala sengiba senkingeni ke manje sengiyalinyazwa ngiyagijingiswa angisakhululala sengimele ngifuna amaphoyisa lamaphoyisa ofuna cause number 1 mina kucala le nangifika eMpumalanga mangaye police station iphoyisa liphuma le emuva lokhuluma ngefoni lithi lo muntu enimfuna kunanga la mangaye kwaha epolice station same thing ngisuke bo event uya ibo Springs bo Leslie same thing ama police station wonke ngathi amajita amabhaya amahati anezithombe zami. You understand? Sinini nazi amabhaki khona la aqhamuka le kubokwaha iforce yakhona abanye bakhona bagqole nje yonke le ndaba. You understand? Yini lo mjita sengiba umuntu kahle umuntu ongibulele because at the first time beku right there was a time whereby municipal manager Prime the out is destroy la ngifuna ukutshela ba because municipal manager ne kwamele alikhulume iqiniso lokuthini ukuthi kwakunemali nguthi ye out yakhe eyeza kimi yayizwa ukuthi thini eyalethwa kimi lethwa nguye. You understand? Ngizoyichaza leyo nto leyo and municipal manager namhlanje meka sekaphika kodwa zangisebenze nayo uzowachaza le imali ezazingena from accounting yakhe zingena kimi umasipala angibhadala ngena kimi naye anginike imali. Uyayizwa ukuthi thini lento le and phezulu kwalapho municipal manager bekathanda ukungitshela angikhonjina athi kune history yamachat labantu laba cabanga lahla amafoni akuna backup akunantinga ngazithatha ngazifaka bo Google Cloud. You understand? Ezinye zakhona ma copy incwaba yama copy engizibekile kunabanye ngibanikezile abantu ukuthi mhla if something happens to me ngikhiphe le information abo municipal manager la bangazenza abohleva lapho. Uyayazi lo muntu lona Brame befuna baloko abe ne problem makufika ama Hawks kamasipala kuthiwa bathi wayengamanage lezi zinto lezi umanager ama-Hawks athi nazo umsebenzi wami ngowathini mina makazofika khona lapha. You understand? So kunabantu kamasipala ama-GE out lapha ibhebha amajita for amatenda khona lapha. Uyayizwa ukuthi thini lapha esupply chain ngiyafika kumjita umuntu osona so nangu busy ushaya amajita lapha bhebha amajita kamasipala la emalahleni ngithi leyo idla amajita le ngithi mina why ungadili ngale issue le uyahleka uthi wena zanke akwenza umatanyula ngide wena ngwatshela mina ngibhizi ngamatanyula wani ngitshela kune out ebhizi ngezinto eziso lapha
wonke lamashita lapha eMpumalanga namathendanyana
not wonke amanye wakhona abhizi nabo CFO ngithi uCFO labo mahlangu le manje keep number ukuthi ngikhawatheke uyikhiphe ngale kwaNdebele yiyo le out le engukuthi manje bona bayayigayenya njengodineyo wamnika 50,000 rand Dineyo Mathole futhi sasinayo ku business 50,000 rand sasisebenza nabo futhi nabo nethema ngiphuma kulesi ngagcina sengidila ngama business nabo you understand Dineyo Mathole naye wanginika kathi ngimasebenza sinaye bhekathi mina ngagcina sengibhadala le 50,000 rand le after umasipala abhadala uDineyo wangitshela shuthi wathina jo angithi mina ngishuthi ngigcine sengiphuma kulezinto zonke lezi zanza because sezingibulalisa ilento zabo ngicine sengiphuma ngithi no man the best thing ukuthi umuntu aqale into ze business yabona ngicine sengithi no ngcono ngisala ngicala ama business masipala sekangqulisile igama lami selibhizi lapha ngisakhona ukuregister abo CSD ngathi ngcono ngibe mhlambe na other means of business that which I'm running to do other things you understand le municipal manager no CFO uthe ezinye zezinto lezo namhlanje bangazenza abo clever lapha kaMasipala kunama quotations ama cover quote ebewathumela mina kuWhatsApp you understand when I was starting to do business mina I'm willing chief ukuthi kusasa kungaba I state witness in anything in or however you understand nale 50,000 rand ya collector uye you understand and nami bese ngiqala ngibhizi ngani ngebusiness within the municipality sengiphumile kulezi zinto lezo angifuni ukulo ngikhuluma istory you understand abo princess ukuze at the end of the day mina bese ngicina ngisebenza nabo Dineyo Mathole sebenza nabo nele out kuthiwa but namhlanje ubheka inkosi uzotshela mina ukuthi mina he wants nothing to do with me le after sisicede kubhadala ama order kwenza bese ngiphumele into zamasipala athumele 100,000 re accountini yami sekahamba uyagijima uyoceba le kuthiwa bathi mina ngithethe 100,000 mara that was my money you understand ukuthi njani so that was when mina ukuphuma kwami intelligent nani then let me just build my life uyayibona ukuthi njani abo laba nakugena izimali ngangibathumela naye na last time ngamnikeza ngamnikeza ma 15,000 rand accountini yakhe municipal manager you understand so now yonke lento lena yokuinvestigator namhlanje sengifuna ukubulawa bo Eskom and everything ngibangelwe bobani ngibangele abantu base state security agents bayasuka bayale bo uSipho Kenneth uyahamba uyalena yo head office angithi bayenzani uSipho Kenneth oqala uCFO waqala sebenza Dr. Jess Muroka bese wahamba wayesebenza eNkangala district weza ngapha eWitbank you understand kwakuyi outing sebenzisana sonke namhlanje nebaloko bangithumela mhlamba ama e-wallet ama cash send ku WhatsApp udenza into zakho namhlanje sengumuntu obesengihlupha mara bangithuma on the ground mina lento engizikhuluma ko my brother ngingathanda ukuthi yabona ngiyayikhatha ngiyenza so ngingathanda ukuthi kube nento abaqama ukuthi bazoyenza mabanga ngabe mhlambe nginamanga abangichallenge senkantolo then ngizokhona ukuprovide lezi zinto lezo kusesekukhulu my brother you understand bese from there kunalenye out abathi currently out yakhona uNJ antwana kaJibilika uJibilika there's something mina nabo ekuyenzeka you understand which I'm going to explain it mina bo bo Jibilika besizwana before iTeam Shikisha mayizoqala ukuhlukana mayihlukana iTeam Shikisha you understand ihlukana then abo NJ sebagijimela abo sebakhipha mina angisese umuntu oright ngisebenza namaphoyisa nyabapimpa nya investigator bona sebakhuluma lezi zinto lezi ngami then sengagcina sengenzwa ngikhishwa mase ngiqala ukukhishwa sekungena bona abo NJ abanye bo Brown Mkhotsi you understand engukuthi bathatha information ngapha bagijimela bodla bo Jibilika izimali uyayizwa ukuthi lento le and manje this guy uthanda i-social media uba yena lentwana lebathu NJ uJoseph besizwana snap nezinye intwana kuthiwa uMandla Mthembu umntwana yabona the former minister yelentuza in the presidency currently le out yakhona uMandla Mthembu bangama service provider ngithi khona lapha kamasipala babhadalwa umasipala ukuthi bagadane nabantu abanjengani mina le out le uMandla Mthembu besizwana si close so then ngase ngicala unyakhishwa ke khona manje. You understand? Le information ya SSCOM ihleli SSA sengigijinyiswa ngapha kuthiwa mathi mina ngiphi abantu kuthiwa baboshe babuye babhilana bakudilwa nasento zasema illegal mining. Yi-information ngangisendwe egovernment ukuthi ngo-investigator. Namhla sengifela kona lokho. My brother sokucaba ukuyikhatha. Oh, sengifela kona lokho. You understand? So the reason namhlanje sengifela kona lokho ingoba mina I'm at the front line obo MM bakhuluma namaphoyisa bathi mina ngiyahlupha. Maru MM wayangatshela amaphoyisa iqiniso ukuthi wayefuna ukwazi ukuthi i-information yonke eDBCI angitshela athi ndoda sikubhadala ukuthi usitshele ukuthi ama-Hawks mekafika kwenzakalani mekaphuma in ngida yabona ke manje le ngiyibona kade yabona manje le so spy intelligence so spy ama-Hawks manje wena manje. Kunofakazi ku WhatsApp wangithuma wathi ngo-investigator intombazana kuthiwa uCleo kamasipala. Wathi kuphenya le ntombazana ngathi bayangayifuni. Ngayiphenya intombazana yabantu ngabuye nenqwaba information ngathola ukuthi umntwana umamakhe ngathi something ngathi boMozambique nyana I don't know yabona but izibongo zakhona zabantu bangada. Ngatholakala nendaba zama ID ngangenelela ngathi na information manje kusasiyophika thini athi mina uMM azanke ngilentuze what you call ngisebenze naye.
So manje yaqoshwa le ntombazana.
Le ayisayithola promotion ke manje mngana. Kusebenza kanjalo kamasipala phela if you don't know. Kamasipala if awuna scandal awutholi promotion. If wena kamasipala ugama ukuthi wena umuntu oclean. Brian uyabona manje sengicowena nama tracksuit anyana kunempahla zami ezisele ngithengise omunye my sister. Lesikhathi amajita last year afuna ukungibulala ngoNovember. Lesikhathi nyalapha guest house yaseLizette. Ngathengisa omunye usise bathi uphilile. My sister wakhona ngathi uyicaretaker lapha eguest house futhi uyi-receptionist. Into zami ezinye zisele khona lapha. Kusele into eziningi. Bengibhizi neplot elinye bese ngin-organizer ngifuna ukushaya into zami. Hey madoda kusele into zami eziningi kakhulu leWitbank. Sininini mangispanisa ikhadi lami lase Standard Bank liyajema angilazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yileli bengireceive izinyuku ngazo. Semanje kuno Capitec engibhizi ngaye. You understand lento le. So manje currently lapha kamasipala ukhona inkalutshana the current chief whip. You understand? Wafuna ukukhishwa samlwela asabothajwa li comrade bo speaker lapha. Bathuma team shikisha bakudala istrike lapha eWitbank. Yabona my brother ne information eningi kakhulu. Le information yami inengi kakhulu.
Amen.
You understand? Inengi kakhulu le information yami and
yazi
yeah.
Sizozama nto kumele sizama ukusiqhubeka no part 2
Yes.
kuma name and shame okwamanje akos like abantu abangathi abantu angathi ba powerful ba involved lento abafuna ukuqumba phansi obani kahle kahle.
Okay, currently ngizokhuluma iqiniso. Ne? Lelo iqiniso elikhulu my brother. Inumber ekhishiwe manje ukuthi ngibulawa uqala. Abantu baka Mr Sibanye. Yilaba currently manje bagqwele yonke indawo bayangifuna. You understand? Last year ike ngahlangana noFikile Mbalula. Ne? Ngeke ngahlangana namajita kaFikile Mbalula. Not yena personally. uPatrick Mathebula owazibiza ngehead of intelligence yeANC noMandla Qwane. Then masihlangana uMandla Qwane umuntu osondelene kakhulu noMbalula. Mangihlangana nabo, you understand? Bangikhosela ama problems nabo labo bantu labo. Ase ngigijinyiswa very ngenxa yalabantu labo. Bakhipha information nabo ngami. So manje into currently engihlupha kunayo yonke ukuthi laba ngaba confront ngadila nabo. Anyhow, you understand? But I know ukuthi somewhere somehow basangifuna. Ngadila namajita lawo. You understand? Ngaba confront. Kunala ngiba confront khona. Ngibatshela nabo obombalula. Umbala futhi ku WhatsApp waze wangiblock. Makabona ikhola vele wadla 8 ngatshela eziduzana naye athi mtshele ngisesekhona. You understand? So from that point, eSite Johannesburg, ngiyangasuka ngibuya eDeep Kloof mangifika ngavinjwa ngimonitora ngesisifute ngamakhamera wase MTN rank ngakhona ukudlula ngeescortwa imoto ezinye imoto zakhona nabo Randall nabo they know the truth kunemoto ezinye ezase engizazi zaloko zingigijimisa khona la. So manje the biggest problem engibhekene nayo, I don't know ukuthi why lamajita wasekwaha la kwaHotend laba abasebenza uMr Sibanyoni why bangangitsheli ukuthi chief sine problem nama sifika so, because number one, if ever ngifela indaba zokuthi abojibilika baletha imali abo 260,000 rand kimi u260,000 uMM wathatha 40,000 rand kuthiwa ngibheka istrata manje sekuyiproblem leyo nto leyo namhlanje.
Ubheka istrata kanjani?
Kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama ke uyabona ngithi abojibilika nabo ba reporta kubo Mr ngali kwaHa20 kubo Mr Sibanyoni. Angeke ngifihle Brian lento leyo. Ngifuna ukubulawa namhlanje ngenxa ya lento leyo mhlambe because abo SK uSipho Kenneth Mahlangu naye uinvolved lapha. Ubheka inkosi wangitshela straight wathi yena no uyamazi uMr Sibanyoni. Bangithusela yonke into you understand, but I know the iGrootman umdali time lo muntu esikhuluma ngaye. For sure abantu benza izinto you understand bese bayazi ukuthi nebase bafuna ukulimaza bayaya abagijimela ngale bathi umuntu so uyasihlupha. Uyayithola ujibilika futhi phezukwala chief mina ngifuna ukufihla lento nginobufakazi bakhona sasi close sinaye nakuthiwa ubhekele istrata kunalana ngamtshela ngithi hey man ngithi ngaphenya angimazi bengicala nokulizwa igama lakhe ngithi mina I'm busy trying to do investigation but I see there's this other name ngathi ke la by service provider lana bona ngithi uyamazi umuntu okuthiwa ujibilika construction wathi lo muntu loyo umngani wami uyi-service provider yakamasipala uMM uthi lo muntu umngani wami vele uqinisile because yonke into ubhekela uMM. You understand nalesikhathi kuphuma leyo mali leyo i260k umthatha ngathi wathatha 40 wathatha 60 ezinye zezinto my brother ngifuna ukukutshela iqiniso limile namhlanje la nakuthiwa bheka istrata bheka i-attack ebuya somewhere mhlambe nangakuthiwa umuntu bafuna let's say there's an investigation against Obojibile. And when once you start to say, I don't want that man, you are in trouble. You know why you are in trouble. Why then angithi usosebenza nabo. Why unga accept ungathatha you facilitate ama resources to protect them. Yini lento njengale. Kusho ukuthi wena vele you want to complete the mission on yokwenzani yokuba sabotage or on having them arrested, but if the state wants to have them arrested ngizowenza njani mina? So manje kwafika to a point ngamnjengithi hey kunento so what ujibilika kumelanga kuthiwa bathi uya investigator whatsoever kusho uMM bathi awuthi amasahlale sokhulumisana naye yonke lento nje iphele what mina mangifika lapha sengiyaje ukuthi no ngizosebenzisana wena gathi izinto zakale out on the ground umbhekele ukuthi kwenzakalani. Abojibilika namhlanje nabo abantu abasebangijikele namhlanje bathatha abo Brown Mkhotsi bathu bandi awuthi le uJoseph lo mfana lo ngiyazi ukuthi naye kunezinto azikhulumele ngami futhi azikhulumayo ngami. You understand? Mangizama ukuthola ngithi guys mangabe ne problem why ningangisamuni ngize ningitshela ukuthi sinenkinga nawo so, because le ndaba yokuthi mhlambe bafuna ukungiqima it is le ndaba ukuthi bafuna ukungiqima angeke izi assisting afokole because kunama file already sengiwanikeze ubani sengiwanikeza abantu.
My brother sibuye senzo part 2 azizami ngasi sizozama kanjani.
Yeah, because yabona manje enye into eyingozi my brother ukuthi kuno 180,000 futhi wafaka account yami. Yayizwa ukuthini? So abaphike my brother. I'm telling you abaphike. And naye wayena ubheka inkosi lo currently uyamazi umfundisi izikhali. Bishop Isikhali.
Oh yeah, hayi.
Angithi uBishop ubheke uclose nomfundisi. Mara ngithi uBishop Isikhali kunento wrong ayevela akazange aqhumana naye angimazi baba abantu azange ahlala naye. Intwana yakhe ngathi close nobaba Isikhali orubane. Yila emasipala wabhadala khona 212,000 rand. Ubheki wathumela 100,000 rand kimi. Wathi no wathi lo 100,000 wakho lo. uyayizwa ukuthi thini lento bathatha. Remember mina ngisebenza no my brother, there's no need ukuthi sisala sifihla anything, uyangithola, because currently manje my life is at stake because bafuna ukungicima as evidence yalezi zinto abazenzile kamasipala. Uyayibamba lento, nginofakazi balezi zinto le. Ubheka inkosi makasuka lapho uyahamba uyobheda kamasipala uthi uJoseph angemnikeza ama-100,000 rand apha matenda. Ngidewe unika 100,000 rand uthi apha matenda ukhuluma ngani kahle? Yes, I agree with this. Now we work together in business. And that the amount of money that you've given me, you said it's for me. It's my share. That was even ngale yonke lento intelligence whatsoever understand ngasafuna ba involved phakathi kwazo because ba destroy impilo yami. Sibuye futhi my brother. Labantu manje namhlanje bonke labo nabo bo Joseph laba lo mfana kaMsweni. Loyo le. Yeah, I heard ezitradini bathalo. Wathi lesikhathi umswade abantu umswade bagijimisa. Bathi umswade uthenga amaphoyisa wase SAPS ukuthi amaphoyisa lawa basakhona ukulala ezindlini. Mina ngicela ukuthi ngihlanganise ukuthi ubani ngaba in contact nayo wama-Hawks bafuna ukumbophisa. Azange ngayenza lento le. Yabona ngingathiwa bathi kune enemy engahlala naye phansi ngihlale naye ngidle nayo ngidine nayo umswade loyo. Noma singazwani. Uyazi why? Le out layer beyikhona ukuthi manje problem iconfronte. I see mene le out layer. You understand? Akasi mene. Although mina ngafela ukuthi ngangiphathi yalabantu be-SSA ngi-investigator kanti ngi-testing rep ngifuna ukulinyaza la. Kunenge sengaku-investigator lapha ngibuzwa ngabantu aba-dangerous kakhulu ngibanika information. Akekho noyedwa waboshwa phakathi kwabo bonke labantu lapha. Mangibuza ukuthi kanti labantu laba esiba-investigator bayaphi? Akunext ukuchaza. So kusesenabanye futhi my brother at the moment of time mangithi ngiyabheka kahle. Namanje inamba isaphumile sese active mina ngikhona ukungena bokwaga laba kubi inamba isaphumile. Bo SK laba bo bayakwazi nakuloko. Kunabo detective nyana basuke baze bhalela i-statement nyana baya kubo ezibathini bafika la. Ya uJoseph ngathi usenkingi. Mina ngomunye umuntu engikuthi ngiyazi kunabantu currently ebangamahata. Engikuthi they are trying to assist silently. You understand? So please, my brother, I don't know in what manner ukuthi I need to get also a safe house. I was very much safe la benkhona. You understand? Ngabizwa kosele ngi-attend i-court omunye my sister ose Batukup ose what do you call ikhona lapha eWitbank. I-case layo naye belidliwe naye. I-case lakhe belidliwe my sister i-case lakhe. Yimi phezulu kwalapho ophusha ukuthi idocket lihambe le province. Idocket malithathwa lihambiswa le province kushintsha ucaptain kushintsha iphoyisa kwashintsha uprosecutor manje. Semanje lo captain yabamfakile manje no prosecutor sesiqala phansi manje into enjani lokuthi ngi-investigate imatter ngiyasubmita kuba nomuntu oboshwayo ekugcineni ene cabanga yazibashintsha nini sekuyi-final trial madala. Umuntu sekayo ahlulelwa kushintshwe khona lapho. I-twist indaba kuthiwa hayi yazi there is kunencwadi enye ngayibhale state agent on the run ngikuthumela yona incwadi ekhona kune-information eziningi khona lapha ngaphakathi. So manje ngisikhuluma ngenxa yesikhathi yabona but kunengi my brother engikuthi kungaphakathi ku-involve and phezulu kwalapho my brother ngizokutshela something the reason uMbalula kushuthi namajida wakhe kwaba nokucabana is because ngafaka the uMamrefile Tsipane the chairperson of the NCOP ngathi mina why bangalandelelanga ngoba kwakune transformer ekamasipala ekwathatha 14 million yafaka phakathi kwi-consultant already in a contract nomasipala. It's like uthatha 14 million unikeza employee kamasipala ukuthi uyothenga i-transformer. Why masipala ngayozithengela le transformer le? Bahamba bolanda i-transformer yovobe kuthiwa bayithenge eKayikai eJohannesburg. Nga-investigator le company le kuthiwa i-company yamandla. Le company leyo ayithengisa ama-transformer. Number 2, le company leyo is just a consultant company. Akuna transformer ethengiswayo lapha. I-consultant agency. In a contract ethola i-draft ama-contract for umasipala baphinde bayiphi imali bathi hamba usithengela.
Lo mandla lapha eMpumalanga uboshwa nini?
My brother uyabona ungeke uwoshwe yabona njengamanje kunezinto ezinjengalezi zabo abo CO4 kunabanye nje abanye bakhona lapha kamasipala ngitshele ukuthi abona labo Telma bathatha lama 50 million le bahlanganisa lama RFQ lawa Dineo waba grand Dineo should nale sengisebenzisana uDineo yabo angeke baboshwe abanye laba yabo kunemali esibanikeze zona ama bribe yonke lento ngeke baboshwe bribe ngoba ukukhumbula ukuthi eprovince yazi basipana njani lapha ngizokutshela iqiniso eprovince number 1 yaseMpumalanga uPremier umngalo wabo labo meya uMEC weCocta umngalo wabo labo meya nabo Themba oboshili they are like friends so iCocta is responsible for abo masipala manje uzambopha kanjani achoose wakho engukuthi everything happens so noma bangaye emaloyeni ngakuthanda lo ukuthi bakwenze lokho ngoba mina yazi already sekunamacala engiwavula ngendlela nyani izithizeni emakhoneni and there's a possibility ukuthi ngizoba i-state witness and mina le information engiyikhipha la kunento eziserious kakhulu madala
ngifuna zona mase sengifuna yikho ngithi asenze isikhathi
1 minute
asenze asiqhubeke ku part 2 ndoda isikhathi
I don't know ukuthi but what I've point out is it
or we going to the right direction lekuzoba imadlanga manje so ishaya ngathi imadlanga
yayibona futhi manje sekune engase sivalile la sala sivala yabo
siyabuya izo continue part 2
yazi asala sivala uyazi kunenye information nake engifuna ukuyiveza uyabona kusho ukuthi mase sivalise yo part 2 uyabona there is very heavy uyabona
part 2 siqhubeka kuphi
uyabona so njengamanje uyabona kule point lena ukuthi uChris Hlebela adutshuliwe umjida lo beka leader iTeam Shikisha uChris Hlebela makadutshuliwe bekumjida engukuthi is known lapha eWitbank uJibilika ngahlangana naye eSasol Garage lo mjida lona ibusinessman mangihlangana naye kune mali bengidinga ngifuna ukwenza something you understand ngiyamtshela mangisamtshela khona lapho ngithi mina kuye phakathi kuka Joseph no Christopher kukhona abafuna ukumshaya ebusuku bakhona badubula uChris Hlebela bambulala you understand ngo7 sekayangifonela uthi kimi yendoda ungifola ngo9 uthi lento oqeda kuyikhuluma seyenzekile so sesochaza ukuthi uChris Hlebela ubani uyini uhlangana kanjani nama network waseMpumalanga abanye from the national level sizoyichaza kahle from that point because ngizothi ngiyayikhuluma ivele yabona so but just to give a small clarity kancane uJibilika ngizokhuluma nemali ama protection fee aya kuSibanyoni nayi serious kakhulu le 2 million protection fee
ayiphelile
yabona
kuba kubathu
yabo